I'm Amazon, year 8, and we're doing the workshop.
I'm Felix, also in year 8 and also doing the workshop.
Everything in a nutshell. We start from working drawings that we get from the art department and Josh, who's coordinating the whole show, and we work with all the students to make a whole range of props, whether they be backdrops, whether they be parts of trains. We have to facilitate and make a whole train wrecked scene. It's extremely rich, extremely varied, and everything needs to be made quickly, functionally, safely, and durably, so it lasts the show and it's safe for everyone to work on as well.
We're working on sets. We do a lot of painting and sawing and just paint the sets mostly.
And also constructing the stage. Time consuming.
Massive.